Welcome back to our SAT drill section. Are you just seeing us for the first time? Please, I would like you to hit the subscribe button. What is our objective? Our objective is to have that perfect score, 800 over 800 in your next SAT. Of course, a thing of joy when you have that score that gives you your desired scholarship to your desired university. You know. All right. So today we are still on that percentage. So we have another percentage question here right now. Okay. You know, if you feel that yes, you are a guru in percentage, you will be able to solve this. You can actually pause the video and do justice to this. But if not, see how this is done. But let's go through the. We are told that the price of a package of 4 pens is $8. He said the same pens are sold at $2.5 each. If Alex bought 3 packages, all right, so we need to note that let's bought 3 package or patterns under rather than buying 12 pens individually. He said the amount he saved on 12 pens is what percent of the amount he paid. Now if he bought 3 packages and one package contains 4 pens, is it not? So that means he has a total of 12 pens. Of course, that's what the stuff is saying right here. But how much did he spend for 3 packages? So that would be 3 times 8. Is it not? So 3 times 8. Is it? So that's the amount he spent. And of course, this should be what? $24. So that is $24. Alright? Good. Now, but assuming that he bought this individual at $2.5 each, this 12 pen would have cost him. Let's look at that. So that is 2.5 times 30. So 2.5 times what? 2.5 times 12 rather. So 2.5 times 12. Like that. Alright. So 2.5 times 12. This should give us $30. Okay. So this should give us what? $30. That is $30. So that's what we have right there. Okay. So they are assuming that he bought each of them at 2.5 and 12. That's what we get. So what's the difference? The difference will be what? 30 minus what? 24. So 30 minus 24. This definitely is going to give you what? $6. Okay. So he saved $6 by buying the 3 package in package. All right. So what percent is this? Now we're going to recall our formula which we use in one of our video on percentage. Please, you haven't, and for the purpose of mastering, I'm going to recall that again, where we have the whole times percentage. Okay, so whole times percentage is equal. Please remember this little formula. It can be helpful sometime in what? In percentage equals to what part. So what's the whole here? The whole is the $24 that he paid. So that means that's 24. Now we don't know the percentage. We can call it X. Okay, so let's call the percentage X. Alright, so let's call that percentage what? S. So that is times X all over what? Over 100. Remember, percentage is always over hundreds. In terms of 100 is equals to what? Part. What's the part here? That's the 6. Alright, so we are saying what percent of 24 is 6. That's what we are looking for. So what percent of 24 is 6? Now if we cross multiply and tidy this, you agree with me that this will be 6 all over what? 24 all over what? All over 24 times what? Times 100. That's what you have. Times what? Times 100. You grab that. So 6 into here is 1, and of course 6 into here is what? Is 4. So that's 1 over 4. 1 over 4 is 0.25 multiplied by 100. That should give us 25 what? Percent, is it? So that's going to give us 25%. Of course, which option is that? That is option C. So it means therefore that 25% of 24 is what he saved. That is equal to $6. Are we there? So it's as simple as that. If there's any aspect of this question that is not very clear, please do not fail to leave it at the comment section. And if you have any SAT questions on the percentage that you want us to treat for the benefit so that others can also benefit from it. Please also leave that at the comment section. And I must tell, if you have subscribed to this channel, remember the objective of this channel is to have that perfect score, that 800 over 800. And also, if you want a proper guide on what on SAT, both maths and what and English, please do not fail to contact the Brain Lab community. Are we there? Thank you. See you in my next video.